Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best insights on top products in the market. Today, we're diving into the Milsek leather and vinyl cleaner and conditioner, renowned for its exceptional quality and effectiveness. If you're looking to revitalize your leather furniture, automotive interiors, or even your favorite pair of shoes, this could be the perfect solution for you. Let's start with what makes Milsek stand out. This isn't just your average leather cleaner. It's crafted to deliver professional-grade results right in the comfort of your home. Whether you're tackling a dusty couch or want to bring back the shine to your car seats, Milsek promises ease of use with its powerful yet gentle formula. One of the standout features of Milsek is its wax and silicone-free formula. Why does this matter? Well, it means you get a deep clean without any residue that could dull or damage your leather over time. Plus, the refreshing orange scent leaves your surfaces not just clean but also pleasantly fragrant. Applying Milsek is straightforward. Simply dispense a small amount onto a microfiber towel and gently work it into the leather surface. It effectively removes dirt and grime while conditioning the material to prevent drying and cracking. After application, a quick buff with a clean cloth will leave your leather looking vibrant and feeling supple. What really impressed us is its versatility. Whether you're treating your living room sofa, your car's dashboard, or even leather accessories like bags or shoes, Milsek proves itself as a reliable all-in-one cleaner and conditioner. It's a time saver and a money saver too, offering professional results without the professional price tag. Wrapping up, Milsek leather and vinyl cleaner and conditioner has earned its place as a top contender in the market. Its easy application, effective cleaning power, and the assurance of maintaining your leather's natural beauty make it a must-have in any household. If you're interested in trying out Milsek for yourself, check the link in the description below to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and product insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.